What's up guys, this is Bharat from techmybrain.com. As many of them asked for the review of JioPhone 1, so I purchased it and I'll be giving the full review of it. Now let's unbox the JioPhone 1. Now if you look at the box, here the Jio branding is given, digital life, and here the phone picture is given. And if you look at the side, watch on TV simply by connecting the Jio media cable, it's given. And if you look at the side, it's designed in India for India. And here the IMEI numbers are given. And here the JioPhone, India ka smartphone. The model number is F81E. Now if you look at the rear side of the box, here the specifications and IMEI number details has been given. And here the Jio services are listed. These are the Jio apps which are installed in the phone. And here it comes JioPhone features. It comes with HD voice and video call, Jio 4G internet browsing, multi-language support, GPS Bluetooth support, wireless FM radio and Wi-Fi connectivity. Here it comes with, see the JioPhone specifications, it comes with 2.4-inch QVGA TFT display, comes with 2MP plus VGA camera for the front, comes with 2000 mAh of battery, 512 MB and 4GB of memory. It also has SD card slot for up to 128 GB. It also has 3.5 headphone jack, and it also has NFC for contactless payments. And it is finally powered by Kai OS, which is best for feature phones. Now let's open the box and see the contents. Now if you open the box itself, the JioPhone is there. Now let's take the JioPhone and see the other contents in the box. And next comes the charger, which is micro USB cable, and it comes with normal charger. It doesn't have fast charging support. It has 5V 700 mAh charging capacity. And here's the paperwork and manuals for the JioPhone. And here is the JioPhone keypad guide. This is pretty simple guide for everyone. And that's it guys, there's nothing else in the box. We don't get headphones for this. Now let's see the physical overview of the device. It has 2.4-inch QVGA screen, and right side there are nothing, and at the bottom you get a micro USB charging port and a headphone jack which is 3.5mm, and there's also a microphone near to a 3.5mm headphone jack, and at the top you get a LED flashlight, this very simple flashlight or torchlight. At back you get a speaker, camera and live branding, and NFC for contactless payments. Now let's power on and see. Now the phone is powered on. Now let's check the features of it. Now let's see the menu option of it. It is very similar to the basic phones. Here is the My Jio app, call logs, contacts, Jio Store, from which you can download all your apps, messages, clock, camera, calendar, music, gallery, FM radio, browser, calculator, videos, settings, unique converter, notes, hello Jio, Jio Cinema, Jio Games, Jio Music, Jio Share, Jio TV, Jio Video Call, Jio Express. This is the contacts app where you can save your contacts and import from SIM card also. Now let's see the features of settings app. Here in network and connectivity you get airplane mode, mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, geolocation which is known as GPS, call settings, emergency alert. And in personalization you get sound where you can adjust the volumes and ringtones and change the ringtones. Other sounds such as dial pad and camera shutter sound. Display where you can change the wallpaper. These are the stock wallpapers given in the phone. Search option for setting your default search engine. Alerts where date and time, language, privacy and security. It also has screen lock option where you can set your PIN number as a screen lock, SIM security, app permissions, browsing privacy. And in storage you get USB storage, enable or disable, media storage and application storage. And in device you get device information, phone number, mobile model, software, more information, legal information and live software update. For this phone you get the software updates also. Now I have got a software update. And it's downloading. Downloads, battery, where you can check your battery percentage, power saving mode, which is similar to smartphones app like Android OS. Here's the Notes app where you can take down the notes, which is similar to Google Keep. Now let's check out Jio Voice Command Assistant. Here you can give voice commands. Here is the camera app. Now let's check the camera interface. Don't expect much clarity from the camera, it's just 2 megapixel camera. Now it has rear camera, front camera option, selfie timer, grid mode, gallery, photo mode or video mode. This is the video mode. And this is the front VGA camera. Now let's check the sound quality of the phone. Here is the speaker of this. The sound quality is also good and it's very loud, guys. This is the Jio App Store where you can download apps from this. Here you get apps like Book My Show, Jio Attendance, PDF Viewer, Jio Switch, Jio Express, Jio Music, Jio Chat, Facebook, Jio Games, Jio Cinema, My Jio, and they have even told that WhatsApp, YouTube and Google Maps are coming to Jio App Store, so you can chat with your friends from the JioPhone also through WhatsApp. Now let's play content from Jio TV app and see the video quality. And the video quality is pretty enough to watch on this device, guys. It's watchable. And that's it, guys. If you do like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos and unboxings. And if you want, I'll produce the full review of the device with new features which are going to be available on the Jio App Store, such as WhatsApp, Google Maps and YouTube. Thank you, guys. If you do like the video, please like, comment and share. Click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon to receive all the latest videos.